Hi, welcome to DNet Business Suite video series. And this video is part of the installation series of videos, and I'm going to show you how to set up the database for DNet. In this video we will use Oracle Express. It is assumed that you already installed the database. If not, it's very easy. Download it from Oracle. There is a very nice wizard which will guide you through the installation process with next. So nothing special. Perhaps I will do a small video also for this if will be necessary, but it's a very simple process. After Oracle Express is set up on your machine, then you will have to set up the database objects and the database structure for DNet. For this step here it says download DNet, and this is what is of interest for us, the DNet DB version jar. A jar file is an archive, a Java archive, and for this step we will assume that this archive is just a simple archive like a zip or something similar, just to store the scripts. So first download the jar file and take care of the note, replace the version with 01 in our case. Download the jar file and save it somewhere to your disk. I already did this step, so you will have a DNet DB 0.1.jar. Unzip it, 7-zip, unzip it here, and you will have, okay, I should have do it in a different folder, no problem, DNet DB 0.1, and let's move this there. So this is actually the structure of the archive, where you will have a namespace which will guide you to the database scripts for Oracle and MySQL. DNet is database independent, works with almost any application database engine, especially anything is supported by Eclipse Link, which is the persistence layer. So in our case we are interested in this file. Let's copy the path where it is. If you want, you can open it, open with a text editor, and you will see blah blah blah, a simple SQL setup script. Now we need to create these objects. For this, let's open an SQL client, run SQL command line, and we will have to connect to Oracle. First, let's say connect system/system at express. You will use your own password, which you provided when you installed your database engine. Now first we have to set up the user. Let's go back to the installation manual, and we are here. Connect to Oracle with SQL Plus or a similar client. We just did it. So create a user, copy paste from here to there, user created. Let's copy and grant the necessary roles. Grant succeeded. Now what is the next step? Of course you can change the DNet. It's not necessary to set up with this database username. You can change it whatever you want, but then be sure that you will change it here, here and here. Then let's connect to the new schema. A little bit of explanation. It's especially for those who are not very familiar with Oracle or are coming from or have MySQL experience. In Oracle, the database is organized a little bit differently. The objects are not stored actually in databases, but are owned by users. Each user can have tables, functions, views and so on, and this defines the schema. Here in the first step we created a user, we are connecting now to this particular user, and now we are creating the objects which will be owned by this DNet schema. To set up the objects, now let's go back to the Explorer, copy once again. I was very anxious, copied the path in the beginning too quickly. So to execute a script, put this mark at, like in the emails, paste the path, go back, let's take the script name and put a semicolon. Now the structure is going to be set up. Okay, to be sure we can check it out. Select anything from catalog and we have 165 objects. Exit. Right now we have the database set up. Thank you.